Hi, I'm Ed Hitchcock, the owner of Taylor Tackle, and I'm here with Take Me Fishing to show you how to properly hold a bait casting rod and reel. Here's how to properly hold a bait casting rod and reel. You want to make sure your reel is on top and your rod's on the bottom, so the reel's facing upwards. You take your dominant hand and you make an L, just like this. You bring it down here and you wrap it around this grip, just like you're pulling a pinball machine. That way your dominant thumb can be right up here to let the spool out. You take your opposite hand, you place it on the bottom here to help guide your cast. Now make sure that after you make your cast, you're switching your hands. So your dominant hand switches with your opposite hand so that your dominant hand can reel in. Now some common mistakes I see are, reeling upside down, not switching your hands, or holding the top here where the line chafes up against your hand. So just make sure that you're holding it right down here with your dominant hand and switching out after you make your cast. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the Take Me Fishing channel. And for more helpful fishing tips, visit takemefishing.org.